stay tuned of how you can clean your meat. Okay, so first of all, you need a clean pot. You're going to add your meat. So when you have your meat, now you're going to use lemon or lime. So that's how Haitian people seasoning their meat, clean their meat, not seasoning. And after that, you will need some vinegar and some salt. Top of the meat. And you take some salt, add it on top of the meat, also, or you can mix it. And let it sit for a couple minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. So now what you need vinegar water. What you're going to let it boil, and then for the water you're going to add salt and vinegar and lime. Okay, so for the water, you need a little bit of vinegar. A little bit, not a lot. And then add a little bit of salt. A little bit of lime. For 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your fire, so you can add your meat in. So now, how we do it, we just take our lime because it's sitting there, vinegar. We let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and now we take our lime and clean it. So now I'm going to rinse it. So after you clean it with lime and vinegar, you have to rinse it before you add the water, the hot water. We have Haitian epis. If you want to know how to make it, I have a video, so make sure you check it. So let's say I have 1 tablespoon, 2. Because I have a lot of meat, I will use 4 to 5. So I use 5. So this one is complete seasoning, so I will use 2 tablespoons. And for salt, half. It's not even a lot. It's depending after I taste it if I need more. Make sure you swash everything. And I will use sazon Goya. I use 1. We have Haitian epis, we have salt, Maggie, seasoning Goya, and now complete seasoning. Now I'm going to add my lemon juice. Add it, and now I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar. Don't add before you add, because the first time I add 1, before you add the other one, you need to taste it first. If it needs more, if it needs, you need to add. If it's not, so that's our cover. So our meat is ready, so now you can go ahead and turn off the fire. So now, let's finish with so that's how your meat's supposed to look like. It's supposed to give you this color. Okay. So now it's time to add it to our seasoning. So make sure you rinse your spoon. So I usually don't do it this way, but because of the video, so I'm going to show you it's better if it's your first time you add it and you add it. Make sure like everything on your meat. I usually add everything and shake it, mix it, but no, I don't want people to ask me questions like, how do you know all your meat have seasoned it? So just show it on my phone because you add it to your sauce. It's seasoned. Yeah, add it to it. Let's do it one more time. When you add everything, that's our Parsley. So everything that. So now I'm going to add peppers. It's optional. That's hot pepper. And I have bell peppers, so I have like 3 and 4 different colors, like 4 different colors. And now I have parsley and add a little bit of parsley and mix everything. Remember to taste it if you need more seasoning. That is perfect. So I don't need no more. So basically, that's how it looks. So it's time to add it. It's time to let it cook. So you don't need to add water. So that's a close look. And that's the liquid. Okay, that's the liquid. So you don't need to add water. And make sure the volume of the fire is at low, not low, but yeah, medium. And cover it. And that's it. Basically, that's it. Simple and easy to make. Thank you. And then this one you can fry it, make sauce with it. You can eat it with fried plantains. Anything you want to eat with this pot. So for pot, do not have because it gave for pot. So make sure you mix it. Just mix it, the water, the water, and then not too dry, we don't need to burn. So, and make sure you reduce the volume. Because the volume is too high, so I think it's supposed to be on low. Side with medium, and when it's boiling, so you can reduce. Nice, nice. Okay, so now